What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing one of my monthly Boxycharm unboxings, but I'm also doing it as like a little get ready with me video. So I'm going to be using all the products in today's box to create my look. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It retails for $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size makeup products. I unbox it every month on my channel. So let's go ahead and hop right in. Here is the box. The theme of this month's box was Getaway, which is perfect for summer. And then on the card it has all the products and their retail values. It's a little bit bent just because it was put away in the box, a little weird. But we'll be referring back to this. I'll let you know how much everything retails for and all that stuff. So the first product in the box is actually a skincare product. This is the Skin & Go Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. So I'm assuming that this is just a whipped facial wash. My face is actually clean right now. I have no makeup on. I washed my face this morning, so I'm not going to be using this for today's video, but still, of course, gonna show it to you. I have been testing out face cleansers. I've been trying to find one that I like more than my Glossier one. I feel like the Glossier one is the best that I've tried lately, but I feel like it's not perfect, you know what I mean? I feel like I'm still on the hunt for like the perfect facial cleanser, so I am excited to test this out. So there's the first product, and that retails for $25. So already the first product retails more than the box itself. So here is the next product. This is a primer. I think I'm kind of confused because a few months back we got the No Problem primer in our box. I distinctly remember this, but this is the Prime Essence. So I don't really know what the difference is. It says it is a prime essence that tightens up the pores, keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. And the original one that we had, it was like in a little shorter tube with a pump. This one is like a droplet. I don't know if this one's better for like dry skin or, but we are going to try it out. It definitely sounds a lot more liquidy than the other one. Okay, so it's like a clear liquid. Now I'm gonna be looking right here because I have a mirror. I actually just got a new makeup mirror, and I want to show it to you guys because it is freaking awesome. So here is the mirror that I'm currently using. It is from Amazon. I think the company is called like Esold or something, but it's really cool. So I had to show you all the different panels. So on this side you have like a big multiplier, a smaller multiplier. In the middle it lights up. You can change the dimness, you can make it brighter, you can make it darker, and you can also change the color of light. So if you want yellow or white, I prefer white usually. And then right here we just have like a side panel, and then this little piece that just suction cups on any place you'd like, and that way you can like detail, look at your eyebrows up close or whatever. So, and then you can just stick it on when you're done with it. You can charge it with the charger. Right now it's not plugged into anything, it's just going on battery. But so that is a mirror that I'm going to be using, and I wanted to give you guys a little plug. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link down below. I want to thank Esold for sponsoring today's video and sending me this mirror. I really love it. I think it's way worth the money. It was about time that I upgraded my makeup mirror. I've been using my old makeup mirror for like probably 2 years, so I'm really excited about my new one. As for the primer, I really like this actually. I feel like if you have dry skin, you'll like this a lot more. It feels very hydrating. My skin looks pretty glowy, and according to the card, it retails for $23. So okay, so I went off camera and I just did my face makeup, just like some foundation, bronzer, contour, highlight, that kind of stuff, because the rest of the stuff in the Boxycharm go on the eyes and the lips. The next product is a eyeshadow switch things up. I know that one of the variations of this box you could have gotten a blush palette. I wish I would have gotten a blush palette. I think I'm just a little bit disappointed with this because we've literally gotten similar products over and over and over again from Tarte. Those are the shades. They're just natural everyday, except for this baby pink is a little bit different. So it smells like chocolate. It smells really yummy. I'm gonna take a mixture of this light brown and the pink and use those as my like blending shade. Just plop them into the crease. When it comes to these palettes, they are pigmented, they blend well, like they're nice quality palettes. I just feel like the shades are always very basic, neutral shades, so you don't get really anything new from them. That's my like only issue. Thankfully, this palette has a mirror attached to it. If not, I could use that little tiny mirror attachment. So that's kind of the benefit of having that, because not every eyeshadow palette comes with a little mirror, and sometimes you want to just be able to bring it up close. Okay, now that that's done, I think I'm going to go in with this darker matte brown, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of the eye, just to kind of deepen everything up. I kind of want this look to be a little more smoky. I tend to keep my eyeshadow pretty neutral and light on an everyday basis, but why not switch it up for today? I'm going to take this gold shimmery shade and I'm going to put that on the inner corners. I'm just going to clean off my brush a little bit before I do that, and then just pack it on. The shimmers in this palette are okay. I prefer using them with my finger, but that also could be just because when I put like shimmer on my eyes, I want it to gleam. I don't want just a nice little light shimmer. I want like glow, you know? So maybe I'm just extra, but I feel like once you go in with your fingertip, it just really helps. And now I'm going to take the light brown that we used very first and kind of just drag it underneath to bring everything together. So there's the finished eyeshadow look. Now, I like the colors. I think the look is cute, and you know, it's a good neutral palette. But if you're not new to Boxycharm and you've been getting Boxycharm for a while, it's kind of redundant, so hopefully they'll switch it up. But yeah, there's that. I'm gonna go finish my eyes and then we'll come back because the last two products are lip products. Now let's do the lips and then we'll be all done. So the first product of the two products we're gonna use is the Dirty Little Secret lip liner in the shade Rosy Posy. I'm actually pretty happy about this because I feel like I am always needing new lip liners. I'm gonna use my little mirror and just kind of apply this all over my lips. I like to kind of blend it with my finger a little bit so it's not as harsh. I will say the formula for this is a little more dry than some of the other lip liners I've used. I feel like I've definitely had creamier lip liners in the past. There's the lip liner. I actually really like the shade. It's like a pinky. It kind of has more of a pinky undertone, and I really have been loving kind of like bright pink lip looks rather than just like nudes. And the lip liner retails for $15. Now the last product is a lip gloss, and I'm really excited for this. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, who is Kristen Dominique. She's a beauty YouTuber. It's her makeup brand, and this is her lemonade lip gloss. So she has a few different shades. I have the peach tea one, I believe is what it's called, peach or peach tea. So I'm actually excited to try this. They don't unfortunately smell like lemonade. I was fully expecting it to smell like lemony, but it just smells like vanilla cupcake, you know, yumminess. I love a good peach lip gloss, so I'm just gonna apply this over top of the lip liner. It's not sticky at all. and it retails for $17. Alright,